Good morning, friends. It is Monday and I thought I would take you along on my day because I want to do a couple fun things today. I don't know why, but I randomly felt like I wanted to dye my hair peach and also attempt to make dumplings for the first time. So that's what we're gonna do today. As you may have noticed, I've had some room updates. I got this beautiful vintage Danish bookshelf dresser situation. I'm obsessed with it. It's so nice to have drawers for storage. I replaced my Monstera because I thought it was a good idea to split it into two pots because I thought it was overcrowded and then I killed it. So I got this one for over here, which is growing new leaves. She's doing wonderful in her new home. I just purchased this mirror yesterday, which I'm going to hang on this wall along with some art when I find some. That's my little update for now. I need to go and purchase some hair dye so I can dye my hair. I don't really ever dye my hair by myself because it kind of freaks me out, but I don't feel like it's necessary to go and have someone dye my hair right now, so I'm just gonna see how it goes. And I'm not gonna bleach my hair before because I really don't want to put any bleach in it, and I feel like it should be fine. I just uploaded a new video, so if you haven't seen my most recent what I eat in a day, you can click up here and watch it. Let's get it cracking. I'm gonna go to Ulta first and get the hair dye, and then we're going to go to the grocery store to get the dumpling supplies. I'm gonna go to Whole Foods probably and then stop at my butcher to get the pork because that's the only place that I really buy meat. I'll link them down below if you're in LA. Standing's Butcher. It's on Melrose and La Brea. They're the best. Here's what I bought for my hair dyeing adventure. Brush, bowl, clip kit. I bought 2 of the Neon Peach Lime Crime Unicorn hair and some gloves so that I don't dye my hands orange. We're gonna dye my hair now. Honestly, I don't think I've ever dyed my hair by myself. Monday activities. Honestly, as long as everything is colored, I'll be happy. Because it's semi-permanent, so like it's gonna wash out if I hate it. I didn't look at my hair when I was in the shower. And when I got out, I just put it straight in the towel. I closed my eyes when I did it, so I have not seen my hair. Okay. I'm gonna blow dry it and then we're gonna take a closer look. Here's the finished hair. It's a little bit uneven. You can definitely tell like it's darker in some spots, and I possibly could have left it on a little bit longer, but I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know your thoughts down below. We'll see how long it lasts, but it's fun. Now that I have this hair, I think it's time to make some dumplings. This is my first time ever making dumplings, disclaimer. 1 pound of ground pork. Equal parts cabbage. Alright, here's our pork mixture. I'm gonna cover it and refrigerate for about 10 to 15 minutes. Honestly, I'm not too mad about that. I'm heating up some oil in this pan. I've got all my little dumpling babies. Now, my crimping, not amazing. Made with love and pretty cute. Some of them, like these ones, are pretty nice. I'm not mad at them. I'm excited to eat them. I have a ton more filling, so I think I'm gonna make more tomorrow because I can't let this go to waste. I'm now steaming them, and then I'm going to add this flour water mixture so I can get that little, like, I don't know what it's called. It's like a spider web crust. Okay, got a smidge toasty over there, but like, are you kidding me? You're kidding. Please don't roast me in the comments. It was my first time and I'm really happy with how they came out. I need to taste them now, but these ones are for my neighbors because I made like 14 of them, and so I can't eat all these by myself. So I'm gonna drop this to my neighbor and then I'm gonna make mine, which are over there. Round 2 is even better than the first time. I put a little less of the flour water mixture so that the spiderweb effect is a little more delicate, and I mean, I just can't believe I made this. I'm gonna need to eat this now. I've got rice and then some soy sauce with scallions and chili onion crunch. Okay, I forgot to film my reaction. I'm so sorry. I'm so hungry, but I would pay good money for these dumplings. Yeah. Very crispy on the bottom, but they're like doughy because I probably could have rolled my dough a little thinner, but can you see it? I don't even know if you can tell how juicy it is, but it's unbelievable. Hi. You're not supposed to be up there. As you can see, I'm now in bed. I'm gonna read a little bit before I call it a night. And yes, I'm still reading this book. If you've read this book, you know it's very hard to get through because it's so sad. And I keep having to take breaks because I read a really sad part and then I just need like a moment to digest. I only have like that much left, so I'm getting close. I'm gonna end this vlog off here. Thank you guys for coming along on this day with me. It ended up being a really wonderful Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little vlog, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.